Hi guys, kumusta? Nakita mo ako where? Where? Saan mo ako nakita? Kakaligo ko lang guys. Kathy? Who's Kathy? Who's Kathy? Sino si Kathy? Sino si Kathy? Who's that? Mismo? Sakto lang. Who watches Maka? You do? Wow, thank you for the support. Maka is every Saturday. Every Saturday, Maka. Kumusta ka na? Okay naman. Eto. Si Celis, dahil lang. Yung sa Maka girl na nahulog. Hindi yun. It's been a while, no? Since I went live. There. Buhay pa si Katya. I think comatose si Katya. Comatose siya. She's still nasa hospital siya, di ba? Last episode. My haircut? I don't know eh. But usually kasi I just show the barber a photo. Kasi with every haircut or hairstyle, may iba-ibang variant pa. So, just show a photo if I were you. Hello. Do you guys have any questions to ask? Si Zeph? I think nasa GMA si Zeph ngayon. I think. Rick Z, hello? Anong bagong post? Sa IG or here sa TikTok? Sinong mismo? Alam niyo naman kung sino, diba? May mga team Shan pa ba dito? May mga team Shan pa ba? Meron pa. Meron pa. Lalaban tayo, syempre. Ay, lalaban. Joke lang. NBA players, now, Anthony Edwards, Luka, LeBron. Sila. Maka is every Saturday. Maka is every Saturday. Kahapon lang yung latest episode. Hi, Jenny. Of course. I just came from LU, from La Union. Nag-La Union ako. Daniel Tambis, hi. Sa Maka, a lot. If kapatid ko pa si Elijah, kapatid ko pa si Zeph, there's a lot of questions now sa Maka that will be answered in the next episodes. So you guys have to wait for that. Maka every Saturday, 4:45 p.m. GMA, of course. Hi. Hello. Crush reveal? Hindi nyo ba kilala? Hindi nyo pa ba talaga kilala kung sinong crush ko? Hindi nyo ba kilala? Bago ko siya. Kaya hi. What if what? May live tayo guys na isang Siyempre naman. Siyempre. Big winner saan? Saan? Si Josh? Nasa bahay ni ate, nasa mansion ni ate si Josh. Nasa mansion siya ni ate. BNK, saan yung BNK? And bakit ako papasok sa BNK? Saan yun? Saan ako papasok? Ba't ako papasok? Tarlac? Layo ng Tarlac. Layo. Yung TikTok, yung latest TikTok mo. Plot twist sa Maka, yes. Ang daming plot twist sa Maka, actually. Sobrang dami. CCF, yes. As much as possible, I wanna go to CCF. Pero recently, yesterday, wala ako eh. I'm in La Union. But next week, I'll be in CCF again. So, see you there. If ever. Hanggang ilang episode ang Maka? A lot. Tagal yun, guys. Madami yun. Madami pang stories. Madami pang magaganap. Pogi mo lalo in person. Where'd you see me? LU? Saan mo nakita? Yung TikTok ko? Wala lang yun. Wala yun. Oh, Ilocos. Yeah, nandun ako. Pero, hindi nga ako dun nag-sleep eh. Umuwi na rin ako that night, after ng show. So, saw you in Flotsam. Looks so good. Thank you. Nice meeting you. If ever nagkaroon tayo ng interaction. Good night. Good night, good night, good night. Miss mo? Oo naman. Miss ko syempre. Syempre naman. May pasok pa ako eh. May pasok pa ako sa Makahay. Sa MacArthur University. Daling-dale, dance. I don't think I can dance that. Masyadong complicated yung mga dance step. Hindi ako dancer. Side view ko. Kaya mo bang kantahin? Kaya. Kaya naman. Kanta lang naman pala eh. Kailangan ba magaling? If magaling, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sure. Sa Malasiki, yes, 7 there. Nag-basketball ako. Pahingin yung coffee sa cafe mo. Sure. Hi, hello. Guys, follow me on IG. Ay. Andiyan na pala sa account ko. Naging inactive lang ako. Pero, I'm back here, everything. Taping, yes, ongoing ang taping. Nagsimula sa... Ayan. Nagsimula sa simple na pasurya. So fast, I can barely read everything. Sorry. Persian fans, hello. Collection mo sa likod. No, that's an altar. May test kayo, Tom. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Miss mo siya. Who's her? Who's her? Sino mo man? Tinutukoy. Tapos na ba may Longa Girl? Last month na ata. I'm not sure. Watching from Dasmariñas. Hello. Kamusta? Hello, magandang umaga. Message ko sa sarili ko after 10 years. How's life? Guys, may ila-live tayo.
Punjab, welcome by Punjab.
Kayo, gusto niyo maglaban?
One game.
Hello, Sham.
Kayong dalawa lang.
Okay.
One game.
Play. Saab, you disconnected.
Guys, sorry.
Nalayas ako
One game.
Okay.
Guys, please support Sean. Guys, please support Sean.
Yeah, yes, Berchan. Yes, Berchan.
Bye, Rana. Bye, Sean.
Bye-bye.
One lang.
Hi, Sham.
Okay, guys, handler ko yan.
I love you, Sham. Hi, Sham.
Hello. One match, Run.
Okay.
Yes, yeah,
Invitation off. Invitation off.
Live, ano ko to? Live friend. Live.
Okay. Play match. पंजाबी भाई इंडिया को जिताओ ना मैच.
Ay. Guys, Rana is from... Rana, where are you from?
Pakistan.
From Pakistan. Rana's from Pakistan.
ना आइका you win match आइका. मेरा लाला
We
के
have
लाला
punishment. No punishment.
You punishment.
No punishment. It's fine.
Okay.
Mabubuhay si Katya. Maybe.
You friends follow Rana. Rana my friends. Yo Isabel no play, okay?
Shout out, Krisha. Hello.
Isabel, Juni is here.
Guys,
I am Isabel
live
Kripan.
ang ano ko to. Ng handler ko yan.
Johnny,
Si Rana.
Aika your
Live
lover.
friend yan.
Yes, Aika, you my lover. You want Galaxy play. I am in match, Aika.
Match daw.
Guys, chef tip. Hey.
Hello.
Sean.
Rana, how are you?
Yeah, I am good.
Good?
Sean, you were from Philippines, Sab.
Philippines.
I am next time you Sab room. I am you. Ticket.
What's that?
Yeah, Sab room. Sab house. I am security police. Rana, you security police. Police invited. Rana, I am
Yes,
TikTok
mabait
star.
yan. Mabait yan
I
siya.
am Pakistan TikTok star. You invited police.
Heart.
Heart? What heart?
Cute niya, guys, no? Si Rana.
Guys, one rose.
Bella.
पंजाब भाई बैठे जी देख फ्लावर मारे. Guys, one rose. One more rose. Guys, one more rose. Guys, 100!
Anong size ng damit niya?
Yeesh.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sean.
Anong nasa Batang Quiapo? Iba yung nasa Batang Quiapo. Iba yan.
Sean.
Anong anak ko
You
siya?
Sab, you friends. You brother Sab. Sab, you sister.
Sub is nice. Be nice to Sub.
Okay.
Okay.
Sab, my girlfriend.
So, Sub your girlfriend. Okay.
Yeah. You next time. Sab, you care. Rana girlfriend. Rana, you
Yung
wife
sa ni
care.
Angel
Okay.
ko. Ano. Mabait yan, guys. Ata.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Random. Yes, I know. Random.
Guys, tap. Guys, लालन लाइव शेयर करो यार, लालन लाइव शेयर करो. Yes, welcome. Yes, snipe, yes. नहीं यार, इज्जत दा सवाल है guys. इज्जत दा सवाल guys जुड़ो.
They said you look like my son.
काय?
You're my son.
काय?
It's my son, guys.
Eh!
Si Baby Giant.
Hi Rana, hi. Yeah, baby giant, no baby giant. Stop! Isabel!
Yes, I know.
मैं किसी तरह बंदा मेरा
Yeah,
मेरा
one round, guys. Hi kayo kay Rana. Ayun o. Yun o. Para siya.
Sabor me, sab my wife.
Do this. Flex. 2. Like this.
Ah, no, I am you. Pakistani kumis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sakit ng tiyan nyo.
Hey, you friends, Rana follow.
Follow you?
Yeah. You friends. Follow Rana.
You lose.
No lose. I am you call MP you million snipe.
What snipe? What's that? What snipe?
You play match?
No. One match only. One match.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Go
Bye.
live with Isabel.
Okay.
Okay. Respect.
Oh, wait, you wait.
Okay.
I am Isabel. Wait.
Nagbigyan lang natin siya, guys. Mabait naman yun si Rana. Cute ba ng Sunny Angel? Ini-invite pa niya ako. Huwag na. Live na kayo ni Ate Sam. Pinag-flex ko siya, no? Cute eh. Ganun. Pero apparently, hindi pala mga Pakistan pala. Sa Pakistan, hindi pala pwedeng magpakita ng skin. No? Next time, live ulit natin siya. Si Rana. Sama natin si Ate Sam. Flex. Guys, yung mga posts na buti nga nalo na ako mag-post ng mga topless. No? Nagtatawagan sila ng Malsin. Sino? Guys, I'll end in a bit. Mag-end na rin ako. Kakain lang ako. Gutom na ako. Gutom na. My girlfriend. Isang good luck. Good luck! Kain na yan. Salitin na bit, guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa live ko. Kahit bihirang-bihira na ako nagla-live. Good night, guys. Good night. Yan ang sagot ko dyan, guys. Always stay healthy. Thank you. Alright. Bye, guys. I have to go. Nagugutom na ako. Kain na muna ako. Thank you, guys, sa pag-say ng live. See you guys on the next live and the next Let Talk. Bye. Go follow my account again kasi when I lost this, akala nila hindi ko na ma-retrieve. So, go follow me, guys, if you haven't. So, bye.